This year we are presenting our latest reference from the marine sector with Aventura Yachts. Can you tell us a little bit about this? It's a real long cooperation.
Yes, exactly. I have seen the birth of this shipyard more than 15 years ago in Tunisia, and they have started from the real beginning of composite by end layup application. And after a lot of visits and tests and qualification, we have support them and help them to go to Infusion. And now they realized really nice boat and catamaran. Especially 2 years ago, they won a prize for that, the boat of the year. And it was a good achievement of what we have done, yes.
Absolutely, sounds like some big successes in our cooperation. Can you tell us a little bit how we can support customers going from hand lamination to vacuum infusion?
Yes, of course, we have so many ways in that case, but first step is first to visit them, to understand what they are doing and how we can improve their production time first, because time is a cost, is money. So going to infusion also improves the quality. And it is really the two ways where we focus on, and we can support them to change from hand lamination to infusion application.
Sounds great, thanks a lot.